Upcoming app tutorial is gonna be titled Manifestation Card. And in this video, I'm just gonna explain what it is that the product is about, what technology is gonna be learning through this tutorial, and lastly, what we're gonna exclude from this tutorial. So the Manifestation Card is based around the speech given by Earl Nightingale, his lecture titled The Stranger Secret. And in that lecture, he shares a tool for us to use to actually manifest our goals, manifest our dream, manifest happy experiences, which is writing down on a piece of paper, on a card, on one side, the goal that we reach to achieve, and that is to be as specific as we can be. And on the other side of the card, to write down the scripture Matthew 7:7, which states, "Ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find, knock and shall be opened unto you." And during this tool, well, he included multiple things that we can do with this card. So the first thing is to write down that goal. The second thing is to look at it throughout the day. And lastly, he said to listen to the lecture multiple times. And so our app, the goal is to make that first part a digital card that our customer is able to write down their goals and have reminders. That's another thing we want to do, is for them to have reminders that they can look at this card as often as possible throughout the day, and also for them to listen to the lecture throughout the day. So that is Earl Nightingale's The Stranger Secret, which you can also find on YouTube. Now, what are the things we're going to be learning in this tutorial? We're going to be learning, since we're going to be using Android, we're going to be learning a little bit more about the Android SDK. We're going to be using Java as our language of development. We will also be doing push notifications with Firebase and app messaging so that we can send small daily inspirational messages to remind our customers of their goals and that it is happening. Another thing that we will be learning is how to play audio and how to actually import audio files to our Android projects. We also want to have a widget so that they're able to see right on their home screen the goal. So we'll be learning about creating widgets with Android. So that's a basic overview of the biggest things we're going to be learning in this tutorial, like new things that you guys may not have ever used before, and they're relatively easy to use. So that's what we're going to be doing. And now, what are the things that we're not going to be going over in this project? So we're not going to go over Java. We're assuming you already know Java. And we're not going to go over the entire process of actually getting the app uploaded to the Play Store. There are multiple tutorials on YouTube for that. So if you need to figure that out, that's also there. And that's basically all there is to this tutorial. It's going to be relatively short. We're going to go over it really fast because the tech stack is not complicated. The logic is not complicated. And once we're done, there's going to be an actual community session where we review what the product is like. We talk about the bugs and the issues that come with it. We can talk about how we can improve the looks, and maybe another series will actually use that to show the iterative process of creating products. For now though, it's just going to be one simple thing that we're creating and all the technologies that are listed earlier that we're going to be learning, and that's it. So if you have any questions, you can drop any questions down below in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.